Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you all. Today I'm going to show you how to use CSV Airdrop tool to batch multiple transfers of ERC20, ERC721, ERC1155 and native tokens in a single transaction. That said, this custom app in your Kaia Safe is super efficient because it helps you save gas and a substantial amount of time required in confirming various single transfers. Without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Safe account by heading over to safe.kaia.io as we have here. And once that is done, an important note here is that if you haven't created a Safe account yet, please refer to our Create a Safe guide and also Add Asset guide to set up your account and add assets such as Kaia, fungible tokens and also non-fungible tokens. So having said that, the next thing you want to do is to head over to our Safe account. In this case, we have our Safe account. Now to launch our CSV Airdrop tool, we have to go to the Apps tab and we can click on this card, CSV Airdrop, or we can also search CSV and let's launch this application. And now that we have our application launched, the next thing we want to do is to specify the type of transfer. And in this case, to do that, we have to fill up the details in each of these columns. Take for instance the token type, if it's the native token transfer, or ERC20 transfer, ERC721 transfer, or ERC1155 transfer. Then we have to specify the token address. In the case if it's a fungible token or a non-fungible token, we have to specify the receiver address, the amount, and also the token ID in the case of ERC721 or ERC1155. Alright, so pretty much what you have to do. And so let's take a practical look at how this works. So for a native token transfer, you want to fill up this field with native for this column. So for a native token transfer, you don't have to specify the token address, so we can skip this and you can specify the receiver address. You can also specify the amount, and for this one you want to skip the ID. So the next part is ERC20 token transfer. You want to specify the token address, you also want to specify the token receiver, the amount, and we are going to skip the token ID. And the next part is ERC721. You want to do the same thing, specify the token address. In this case, you also want to specify the receiver address and also the we can skip the amount, and we basically set the token ID. So this is just a demo example explaining the token details. Now let's take a practical look at how to batch different transfers by uploading a CSV file. So you want to click on this part and upload your CSV file, and we should have all of the token details. So for this CSV, we have ERC20, which is the token type, the token address, the receiver, and also the amount, but we skipped the ID. For a native token transfer, we have the type, which is native. We also have the receiver, we skipped the token address. We also have the amount and skipped the ID. So the next thing you want to do is to verify the details of your transaction. In this case, we are transferring 3 tokens: CCT, Kaia, which is native token, and also EVR. And also we are transferring an asset, which is DAO's ERC721 NFT. Now the next thing you want to do is to click the submit button. So now that we've submitted the transaction, the next thing we want to do is to confirm the transaction and also to sign the transaction based on the signature policy. And so in this case, because this Safe account has a confirmation of 2 signers, so we have to sign first for the first signer and log in the second account to sign. So we want to switch accounts to, and let's confirm for the second signer. So this second signer will be executing the transaction and be paying the gas fees. We want to confirm the transaction, and yeah, our transaction is being processed. As you can see, once this is finished, we'll be able to view our assets, and we have transactions successfully executed. So as you can see, our tokens have reduced. 19 Kaia, 19 C tokens, and the other tokens already reduced. And also for this part, we do no longer have an NFT available. So that'll be all for this video. In this video, we're able to use the CSV Airdrop tool to batch token transfers in a single transaction. Thank you for watching.